In this tutorial, we will walk through how to manually create an inbound delivery using the Fiori app Create Inbound Delivery. Start by clicking the Create Inbound Delivery tile. The first step is to select the reference document for the inbound delivery. Enter the correct purchase order number or use the Select Purchase Orders button to search for the order based on supplier, material, purchasing group, or other attributes. After selecting your search criteria, click the Execute button. Select the relevant purchase order or purchase order line items from the list and click Adopt Selected button. After selecting the purchase order or individual purchase order line items, the system displays the items available for delivery. Review the list of materials, quantities ordered, and open quantities. If there are multiple items in the purchase order you have selected, choose the items you want to include in the inbound delivery. If needed, adjust the delivery quantity, for example, if the supplier is sending a partial delivery. Next, review the delivery date and update it if required. The delivery date indicates when the goods are expected to physically arrive at your warehouse or storage location. If batch-managed materials are included in the purchase order, enter the correct batch number if it is known at the time of delivery creation. If batches are not yet known, they can be entered later during the goods receipt posting. Note that there is a separate field for the batch number used by the supplier. Once all data is reviewed, click the Create button. The system generates a new inbound delivery document number. If a WMS solution like EWM is linked with the receiving storage location, the inbound delivery is automatically distributed to the WMS.